COEP stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Am I not? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Coeptis Therapeutics Holdings or whatever, however you pronounce it, it's actually looking kind of tough. Well, yeah, $9 is where we're at, but generally speaking, when I say it's tough, it's just kind of consolidating. All I'm waiting for is just a decent double break, and then I'm going to pull the trigger on this, right? Unless the price gives me that double break, then why the heck would I do anything else, right? That's where not forcing anything comes out into play. And how have I figured this out? Well, maybe because mentors have taught me. I've spent 5 figures on courses, and mentors obviously don't have to, but I've been just in the game for 5 years and have made more videos than anyone else. So unless I see my confirmation, I'm not willing to buy. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy.